Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we were reading Don't Waste Water. Let's go over the answers to some of our questions. The first one, who needs water? Well, houses and stores aren't alive, so they don't need water. But people, animals, and plants are. And it told us right here, people, animals, and plants need water. What do leaky faucets waste? Well, they waste water. That's the only thing that comes out of a faucet. Food doesn't come out of a faucet. That would be silly. Though at this point in time, it would be a lot easier because these little children just keep eating and eating in this house. What should you do if you see a leaky faucet? Should we let the faucet leak? No, that's wasting water. We should tell a grown-up so they can either fix it themselves or find somebody who knows how to fix it and get it fixed so we're not wasting that water anymore. What should you not let go to waste? Water. We don't want to waste water. Water is very important. Soda is just one of those things that we want all the time, but it's definitely not a need like water. What can you do to save water when you are done using a faucet? Just like at school, you have to remember to turn it off. And you have to make sure you turn it off all the way so that it doesn't leak even just a little bit. Sometimes if you leave it on just a little, you're still getting drips of water coming out. Number 6, what did you learn from Don't Waste Water? We could all have different answers for that one because we all might have come away with something else from the article. And then for number 7, you're going to draw a picture of yourself turning off the faucet when you are done using it. For math today, we were modeling team numbers in different ways. We were using tens frames today. So if we were looking at our hide 0 numbers, we have 10, and 2 is what our 12 breaks into. If we have a 10, we know we have to fill in a whole 10 frame, and then we fill in 2 on the next one. Then we have 10 and 7 because we have 17. We fill in 10 on the first one and 7 on the second one to make 17. This is why we have to count that crazy way, 10-1, 10-2, 10-3, because it makes more sense when we're filling in the 10 frames for us at this age. Then we have 16, which is the same as 10-6. We fill in 10 and then 6. Then we have 13, which is 10-3. We fill in 10 and 3. On the back side, they said to show the number by filling in the 10 frames with circles. On the other side, you could color them in. You could put triangles in there if you wanted to. But this side, it said to use circles. So we have 15, which is 10-5. We fill in all 10, and then 5 more. 19, which is 10-9. We fill in 10 and then 9, which leaves us with 1 left there. And down here it just says draw circles to show the number and circle 10 once. So I did mine in 5 groups so that I wouldn't get confused on what number I was making. I had 18, which is 10 and 8. I had 2 5 groups, which makes a 10 group. I circled my 10, and then I had 8 more to go. Then I had 14, which is 10-4. I circled my 10, which was the 2 5 groups, and I had 4 more to go. But tomorrow we'll do some more fun things for Earth Day. I hope everyone has a great evening.